Hello guys, welcome back. Now we will discuss the inserted AND function in the linked list. Okay, so now we want to insert the element at the end of the linked list. So how will we do? For example, if we have array like 1, 2, we have a linked list like 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we want to insert the 5. So first of all, we will create an element or node with data 5 and next pointer will be null. Okay, so how we will do it? Okay, so initially we have add pointer which point to the beginning of the list. So what we need to do, we will take one more iterator which will be point to the head, which is same as this. Okay, so we will check if iterator next is not equals to null. And what we will do, we will move our iterator to the next node. Okay, so how will it work? It we have iterated to this node. We will check if next pointer of 1 is null. No, so we will move iterator to here. Then we will check next pointer is null. No, so we will move the iterator to here. Then we will check if whether next node is null. No, so we will move our pointer to here. Now we will check our next node is null. Yes, now here null is stored. Next pointer is null. So what we will do, uh, we will uh, we will exit out of the loop. This is not if, this is while loop. We are doing this in a loop. So after exiting the loop, what we have iterator here. So how we will insert the element here? We just need iterator of next, means this next should be point to our new element. And okay, and that's all. We have to say iterator of next is simply null, and that's all. This thing we have to do only. So let's see it in a code. Let's copy the code inserted beginning only, and we will do make any changes in the code. Okay, so now we have function inserted and we have given data and the head pointer. So this part will be the same. We have created a temp pointer, that is the new pointer that we want to insert, and the new node having the value data, and next pointer is null. And we will check if head is null. If head is null, it means that we want to insert only inserting into the empty list. So we will say simply head is equals to temp and then we'll return it. And here we will take another pointer which will iterate over the all the list till the end of the list. So we will say initially it will be the at the beginning and begin will be pointed by the head. We will check if while it next is not equals to null, or we can simply say if it next, until we will find out it next. So we will say it will be it next. Okay, so it will be moved further until it next will be not null, and at last will it next, when it next will be null, then we can simply say it next is equals to temp. That's all, and then we can print our linked list. So let's copy these two lines from here and insert it here. And now we want to insert 50 at the end first. So 50 will be inserted first, then we want to insert 40 at the end. So now we have inserted 30 before 30, 20 is present, then 10. So 10, 20, 30, and then after 30 it will be 50, and after 50 it will be 40. So now let's print our code. Now let's run the code and we will check this. 20, 30, 30 is inserted um, according to the inserted begin logic, and 50 and 40 is inserted according to the inserted end logic.